By the end of this video, Adam Savage's workbench is going to look like this, which is good because progress is necessary as a date has been set for me to deliver it to California and it's not too far off, so I need to get moving. Now I was going to make the wooden jaws for the vices out of the offcuts from the slabs that Matt Cremona sent me, but he hadn't quite gotten the kiln settings exactly right on those trials and they were a little bit wet. So I was kind of worried that some wood movement would cause problems for the vices. So I used some pieces of hard maple that I had to build the jaws. Let's look at that again. Did you catch the wedge appearing? Always tempting to keep pushing, but I never regret doing this when the workpiece is pinching the riving knife. Dados, man. For the dogs that go in the jaw, you always forget. Now clean that glue off and cut those dados. See this thing? I'm selling this thing. Link in description. This is the Whiteside Rabbeting Router Bit Set. It was perfect to do the 1/8 inch rabbet that I needed to inset the acrylic into the front face of these vices, which I think is a bit better than the way I did them on my bench. So I thought it was a great, useful tool, and yeah, you know, I have a website, I can sell stuff, might as well sell it. Check it out. All the vices after the first batch come with these washers that make a big difference for the top to bottom racking of the vices. So I'm installing those here under the pipes in the back of the back plate. Alright everyone, my honesty has been called into question. On Instagram, it was suggested that I did not actually mean to cut into the jaw of the vise on this cut like I said I did. What do you think? And since, as I mentioned, this bench still has a bit of moisture to lose, I don't want any checking, so I seal the ends with epoxy. And since I remembered those dados in the nick of time, doing the rest of the dog install is pretty simple. Now, as I've mentioned before, I really like this dog design with the steel posts and the diametrically magnetized magnets that are easy to install from the top. And I'm actually selling these. I've been pre-selling them for a while, but the shipment is in, so I feel like I can talk about it now. I'm kind of burning out on pre-sales, but anyway, check this out. I've got lots of dogs. You get the steel post with the threaded end to easily make the wooden top that installs on the top of it. You get the magnet that can be installed from the top and a piece of cork rubber to cover the front flat face of the dogs. So, link in description, take a look. Elmer's glue stick is now my recommendation for installing the cork rubber. I think it's a bit better than rubber cement or spray adhesive. Either of those work too. I just like this a bit better, so yeah, that's what I'm recommending. So, as promised, after cleaning up the edges of that cork rubber, this is what the bench looks like. This is the current state of things. Thanks for following along, as always. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you next time.